Fiona, what are you doing in the garden?
I'm the tidier upper weeder, and also what I like to do is make the decisions early on about the kind of flowers we have. So I have a look at what colour I'd like to have in the garden, get all the seeds together, and then I hand it over to Paul, and he does his magic and gets them all seeding and growing, and then plant them out, and I take care of them. Although this year's been a bit bad because the weeds have taken over a bit, I have to say.
It's been difficult.
Yeah.
It's been awful weedy.
Well, this one's a really simple recipe, and you take some of the skin off of the cucumber, and you thinly slice it, and then salt it, and leave it sitting in the salt for maybe 5 minutes or so. But then mix up a marinade where you use like your brown sugar, rice vinegar, and a light and dark soy sauce. Mix that all together, maybe a little bit of red chilli in there as well, and then squeeze the cucumbers so that you squeeze all of the water out of them, and then put them into the marinade and mix it up, and it's ready to go in 10 minutes.